Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best car wash soap. Here are the top 3 car wash soaps that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Rain X Spot-Free Car Wash 48 fluid ounces. You can get a spot-free shiny surface with the Rain X Car Wash. Time to say bye-bye to hand drying. The car wash soap doesn't leave the after evaporation water spots, which is the highlight of the product. With the Rain X, washing, rinsing, air drying has become quite convenient as it causes water to sheen off the vehicle. It applies to all vehicles. The car wash won't damage your vehicle's exterior surface due to the biodegradable formula and balanced pH. All you get is deep cleaning with the Rain X. The high-impact foam that sticks onto dirt and road grime leaves a bright shine on the vehicle. At number 2. Adam's Car Shampoo 16 ounces. The car shampoo comes in berry flavor and cleans the car to justify its formula. The car wash soap comes in a 16-ounce container, perfect for the weekly car washing routine. The neutral pH wash is ideal for washing as it removes the dirt and grime as soon as it comes in contact with it. The car wash is suitable for any material such as vinyl and plastics. Adam's Car Wash works exceptionally well in a wash bucket. Either use a foam cannon or foam gun. At number 1. Chemical Guys CWS_402 Mr. Pink. The bright pink-colored car wash removes grime and dirt through a constant stream of foaming bubbles. This neutral pH car wash from Chemical Guys works amazingly on sealant and wax coatings. The Superior Surface Cleanser is specially formulated to provide extra slip wash that would be completely scratch-free resistant. You can use it with a traditional 2-bucket method or dilute it with the foam cannon and a foam gun. It will get you a perfect finish of your car, and will amaze you by not leaving a spot of dirt and grime behind. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.